You're going to make me cry.
Hello.
Hi, Lori. It's Suzanne Perot from AutismBC, and
Christine Wishart from Applewood Auto Group.
we just completed our raffle draw for the Mazda that you put. Yes! You won the car.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Isn't that exciting?
Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't believe it!
We're so excited for you, Lori. We wanted to call you right away to start your weekend.
It's such a good cause. I never thought that I would win. Oh my god, I really could use a car. Can I ask you something quick? I don't even know what kind of car this is.
It's a 2025 Mazda CX-30 GX.
And it's red.
Yeah.
A beautiful red.
Oh, that's gonna be perfect.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Places.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, thank you so much, ladies. Thank you. Woohoo!
And thank you for supporting Autism BC, Lori.